With the best in the world. The Center for Rehab was also about filling up a need gap. Till about a decade and a half ago, the focus of rehab was basic physio. But the concept of rehab was brought in again by Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, where it was a team of multi-specialty physiotherapists, speech therapists, counselors, psychologists, working together with state-of-the-art technology to deliver the best-in-class results. And that's the reason today that patients from across India come for rehab services to Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. And another big niche which we filled was sports medicine. Today, most of the top sportsmen in India, they all come for their therapy, surgery and rehab to Kokilaben. Earlier, all these premier sportsmen used to go overseas. So again, it gives us a lot of satisfaction that they don't have to go overseas. They can come and take their treatment over here. And in this last Olympics, the Paris Olympics, out of the 110 member contingent, 50% of them were actually treated at Kokilaben Ambani Hospital. So that's the kind of need gap that we were able to fill. Along with that, we also encouraged a lot of subspecialty practice, super specialty practice, getting in the best-in-class consultants. The goal was that we have to excel. And last 9 years in a row, the Kokilaben Ambani Hospital in Andheri has been rated as the #1 hospital in Western India. So continuing in the same vein of excellence, it was Mrs. Ambani's decision that we need to spread also to other parts of India. So around 6 years ago, we decided to set up this hospital here in Navi Mumbai with the same philosophy that we want to create a premier institution, something which will stand out with its best-in-class clinical talent, technology and infrastructure. When we started, it was truly baptism by fire because just 1 year after we started, the COVID pandemic hit. And with that COVID pandemic, it was truly a test of our mettle. But credit to the team here, the leadership here, the clinical talent and each and every staff member that we delivered outstanding results. We gave best-in-class outcomes. And that really helps in building a lot of goodwill in the community. Post the COVID pandemic, our focus has always been on excellence, clinical excellence. We've kept investing in newer technologies, newer procedures, so that nobody from this belt has to travel to Mumbai or any other part for any treatment. So over a period of time, we've done some very, very high-end work. Our Center for Transplant here is doing liver, kidney, bone marrow transplants. We are doing today robotic knee surgeries. Again, some very good numbers over there. We've recently done CAR T-cell treatment with very, very successful results. And the quest, the goal to excel continues. The installation of the robotic system is one more step in that direction. To offer the best-in-class treatment to the locals over here and to patients from across the geography to come here. If you look at the tagline that Mrs. Ambani has put with our logo, every life matters. That is the tagline that we are trying to live. So when we install any technology, the goal is that we want to try and make it accessible and affordable to each and every socio-economic strata. The goal being not just to have equipment, but to make sure that it is used extensively. Within robotic, we will have a multidisciplinary approach where we will have urologists, gynecologists, GI surgeons, cardiac surgeons, and many other specialties which will all work together to ensure that we offer best-in-class treatment. And with the quality of clinical talent that we have here, matched with all the services that we provide, I am sure it will be a great success story for all of us. So I once again thank all of you for being here. I now hand over to our Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Shashikant,